Almost 256 characters can be used in C language. The character set consists of upper and lowercase alphabets, digits, special characters, and white space. The alphabets and digits are altogether called as the alphanumeric character. For alphabet A, B, C, D to X, Y, Z uppercase, all the 26 character, and for lowercase A, B, C, D to X, Y, Z all the lowercase character, and for digit you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. C also supports special symbols, almost 30 symbols you can use, such as question marks, greater than, less than signs, etc.